Welcome back to Career Power Hyderabad. So students, today we'll discuss the important MCQs. So we'll go into the first MCQ today. So you can see on the screen the first MCQ for today. So with which organization India has signed a $484 million loan to upgrade road network in Chennai Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor. So with which organization India has signed a $484 million loan to upgrade road network in Chennai Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor in Tamil Nadu. So the answer C, Asian Development Bank. So answer is Asian Development Bank. So Asian Development Bank inks US dollars 484 million loan with Government of India to upgrade the road network in Tamil Nadu. So next question. So which company has recently got approval from the regulator IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, to undertake insurance broking? So answer is A, Policy Bazaar. Answer is A, Policy Bazaar. So Policy Bazaar gets insurance broking license. Policy Bazaar gets the insurance broking license. So next, World Day to combat desertification and drought is observed on which date? So World Day to combat desertification and drought is observed on 17th June. So World Day to combat desertification and drought is observed on 17th June. And the theme for this year is restoration, land recovery. We build back better with healthy land. So theme of this year is restoration, land recovery. We build back better with healthy land. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually addressed the which edition of Viva-Tech Summit in Paris? So Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually addressed the which edition of Viva-Tech in Paris? And the answer is 5th edition. So PM virtually addresses the 5th edition of Viva-Tech Summit in Paris, which was held in Paris. So what is the theme of the Conference of BRICS Network Universities 2021? So what is the theme of the Conference of BRICS Network Universities 2021? You can see the options, lot of options. So the right answer is electric mobility. So the theme of the Conference of BRICS Universities 2021 is electric mobility. So it is hosted by IIT Bombay. This is hosted by IIT Bombay. Union Minister chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved the implementation of Deep Ocean Mission. Who among the following is the Union Minister of Earth Sciences? And the answer is Dr. Harshavardhan. He is also the Ministry of Health. And Family Welfare. Okay. So Union Minister of Earth Sciences, Dr. Harshavardhan. So which of the following country is expanding nuclear arsenal according to SIPRA Yearbook 2021? Which of the following country is expanding nuclear arsenal according to SIPRA Yearbook 2021? SIPRA means Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. So answer is all of the above. India, Pakistan, China, everyone is expanding their nuclear arsenals. So India, Pakistan, China, all of the above is the answer, because India, China, Pakistan, every one of them is expanding their nuclear arsenals. So you can see here. So India has an estimated 156 nuclear warheads, Pakistan 165 nuclear warheads, and China has nearly 350 nuclear warheads. Okay. The next question: which of the following state has launched the accelerator program RIVUP? Answer is Telangana. So Telangana AI mission, Telangana Artificial Intelligence Mission, they launched a new program RIVUP with the help of NASCOM. So they started this program for empowering the artificial intelligence startups. So Telangana AI mission launched the program called RIVUP. So Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has approved budgetary support of how much amount for IDEX DIO for the next 5 years? So Defence Ministry Rajnath Singh has approved how much budgetary amount for the IDEX DIO for the next 5 years? Answer is 498.8 crores. That means roughly it is 499 crores. So 498.8 crores, roughly it is 499 crores. So Defence Minister approves budgetary support of rupees 499 crores for innovations. So what is this IDEX DIO? It is Innovations for Defence Excellence, Defence Innovation Organization. So next, Who among the following is appointed as the new chairman of Microsoft? Who among the following has been appointed as the new chairman of Microsoft? Answer is Satya Nadella. So who appointed as the new chairman of Microsoft? Answer is Satya Nadella. So Microsoft names CEO Satya Nadella as the chairman. He will replace John Thompson. Microsoft headquarters is in Washington and the present CEO is Satya Nadella itself. So who hosted the Conference of BRICS Networks Universities 2021? So which of the following has hosted the Conference of BRICS Networks Universities 2021? And the answer is IIT Bombay. We have seen it already. Answer is IIT Bombay, and the theme of this conference is electric mobility. The theme of this conference is electric mobility. So IIT Bombay hosts Conference of BRICS Networks Universities 2021 and theme is electric mobility. So government launches a program to increase the supply of medical oxygen. So what is that program? So government launches a program to increase the supply of medical oxygen. What is that program? And the answer is Project O2 for India. The answer is Project O2 for India. So central government launches Project O2 for India initiative. So this is an initiative of the Principal Scientific Advisor, Government of India. Rajnath Singh has approved a policy on archiving, declassification, compilation and publication of war and operations histories. According to this new policy, records are ordinarily declassified in how many years? So Rajnath Singh has approved a policy on declassification, compilation, publication of war and operations histories. So according to this new policy, records can be ordinarily declassified in how many years? Answer is 25 years. Answer is 25 years. So records should ordinarily be declassified in 25 years. So the last question for today, what is the theme of World Day to combat desertification and drought? So we already discussed it. The World Day for combating desertification and drought is observed on 17th June. And what is the theme for this day? The answer is restoration, land recovery, we built back better with healthy land. Restoration, land recovery, we built back better with healthy land. So World Day to combat desertification and drought observed on 17 June. And the theme is restoration, land recovery, we built back better with healthy land. So these are all the important MCQs for today. So if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for the MCQ PDF, subscribe to our Telegram channel. We'll see you in the next class.